Let's uncover new horizons. Where education ignites greatness.
A great place for education.
Tara sa Tineros! Greetings to everybody and welcome back to our channel. I am pleased to offer you a special tour of our school today where learning and development are adventures that happen every day. Pero bago yan, I'm Zara and I'll be your tour guide today. So buckle up, maganda na sa roller coaster ride na pag-iikot!
First, stop. At the beginning, it's important to foster an atmosphere that motivates students to study and explore. The new tools and technology are available in the classroom to support engaging and enhancing learning.
However, education encompasses more than simply what takes place in the classroom. That's why we offer a wide range of extracurricular activities to cater to every interest of person. There is something for everyone here, from creating groups and community service initiatives to sports and arts.
Speaking of development, allow me to discuss our cutting-edge academic offerings. Our curriculum is meant to challenge students and provide them the tools they need to attain their full potential, regardless of their interest in STEM, the humanities, or the arts.
Siyempre, may pinakompetent teachers. Mga teachers naman natin na magagaling teachers, may mga nangyari na teachers sa mga competition internationally. Kaya sigurado tayo ng estudyante natin ay matuto sa mga magagaling na guro. Pangalawa, yung Tineros National High School ay nagbibigay na bukod sa quality education ay nakikater yung mga needs ng estudyante. Nakita naman natin ngayon, though may mga challenges pero nagkakaroon ng pagbabago. For example, sa classroom, yung ibang mga classroom na nakakapagod ng TV, may mga ipuan na dating hindi maayos, iba na papalitan. So, hindi man siya drastic change, but sa suddenly, mga pagbabago at mga kailangan ng estudyante ay naibibigay. Pangalawa, syempre, yung camaraderie ng estudyante, yung bawat isang estudyante dito ay nakikita na close sila, magkakaibigan sila, and that helps kung paano sila matututo sa klase. Kapag magkaka-close yung mga estudyante, nakakatulong to para makagawa sila ng mga performance tasks na magaganda, nakakatulong to para mas maging effective yung kanilang mga ginagawa sa classroom at sa labas ng classroom.
One of the awesome experiences as a Tineros National High School student is when it comes to the extracurricular activities, we excel on those aspects in our school. And I'm very proud that before I represented our school on a contest and we won. So I'm very proud of that, and we are competent as a Tineros students. That's it.
That's a wrap with our tour to the Tineros National High School. I hope you enjoy getting a glimpse into our educational world.
Make sure to click the link in the description below if you're interested in finding out more or arranging a visit.
And also don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe so you'll never miss an episode. Bye bye! Tara!